Hello, good morning, friends. I am Dr. Narayan Rao, an author, a freelance journalist, and a homeopathist. Today, I am speaking about diabetes and kidney stone. Okay. First of all, I want to thank YouTube officials who gave me good opportunity to become popular. Okay. For that, always YouTube officials are congratulated, or I appreciate them for their efforts to bring me popularity. Okay. First thing I want to say, there are lakhs of doctors in the world, but I am not only a doctor but also an author. Okay, I am an author. My 4 books are published in Kannada, one is published in Hindi. To some extent I am a national level author. I don't need illegal earning. I don't want to cheat anybody, okay? I don't want to cheat anybody. I don't want illegal earning. Today in the world, at least 30% people are suffering from diabetes, but they are going on taking tablet, and after that they will start insulin, and in the last stage their kidney will fail. Their kidney will fail and they will undergo dialysis. They will undergo dialysis. It is a must and should to a diabetes patient. Okay. So diabetes patient must die by dialysis. When insulin cannot control sugar range, they have to go to, or they have to surrender to dialysis. We know our thousands of high-tech hospitals are today running by dialysis and by, what do we say, cesarean, okay, and unwanted operations. Whatever may be, I don't need all those. I am honest, so that I am telling something true about you. Now let us see how to cure diabetes and kidney stone. When I was in Belgaum district, my wife was Syndicate Bank employee and she was transferred to Belgaum. So I too went there and opened my clinic. Then a person came to me by name Bibi Pujar. He was just 31-year-old and he had diabetes. His RBS, random blood sugar, was 430. He came to me. So, for the first time, I thought to give a magnetic belt like this one. This type magnetic belt. It is useful for diabetes and for kidney stone and for kidney failure. For 3 reasons, this magnetic belt is useful. There are 2 types of treatment. One, giving medicine. Second, application of energy into the tissue or organ. Here, magnetic treatment and laser treatment are the application of energy into the particular tissue or organ. Okay? So, by this magnetic wave, when the magnetic wave throws to kidney, the cells of the kidney will be activated. When it throws magnetic wave upon pancreas, pancreas cells will be activated. Pancreas cells are made efficient. The workability of the pancreas cells will increase. Workability will increase. Okay, so by this common belt, this is useful for lifelong. For 10, 15, 20 years this will be useful. For kidney stones, for kidney fail and for diabetes. Okay, this is the North Pole. You see it. How we have to tie it? We have to tie it like this. You see, like this in the left side. This is the magnet. Okay, like this we have to tie. You are seeing. Okay. So in the left side we have to tie it. So it will throw the magnetic wave upon kidney and pancreas. So pancreas, when the pancreas cells are activated, we can say, or it will be a permanent cure for diabetes. When magnetic waves are thrown into kidney, kidney stone will be cured. Kidney stone. Actually, what is kidney stone? Kidney stone actually appears by the accumulation of, by the collection of calcium and magnesium salt, especially the ursolate, calcium ursolate. The precipitation of this calcium and magnesium salts, we can see kidney stone. One of my experience I will tell. Actually, I too had no idea of curing kidney stone and diabetes. Now let us finish the first subject about diabetes. When the magnetic waves are thrown into pancreas, pancreas cells will be activated and they will produce enough insulin to the body. So you may stop insulin, you may stop taking allopathic medicines. If required, you may take some homeo medicines which doesn't have any side effect. Arsenicum, uranium nitricum, lactic acid, natrum mur, natrum sulf, there are so many medicines that you may take. And you may get rid of or say goodbye to allopathic medicine. Because allopathic medicines have side effects. But in homeo, there is no side effect. So, now I told you, by wearing this type of belt in the left side of the back, kidney stone will be cured, kidney fail will be cured, and diabetes will be cured. For diabetes purpose, we have to wear it in both sides, left and right. For kidney stone, we have to wear it in both sides. But one thing I want to say, diabetes will be cured and kidney stone will be cured 100% permanently. Because I will tell an evidence. I too had no idea that magnet will work upon kidney stone. I had no idea. My daughter was studying MBA in Bangalore. Okay. So, accidentally, due to kidney stone, she got admitted to a high-tech hospital. They measured, okay, they measured, it was 8 mm. Its thickness was 8 mm. Its diameter was 8 mm. And multiples, not one, multiples of 8 mm, 6 mm, 4 mm, like that. Multiple stones were seen in the kidney. Oh, immediately I sent, she was crying. She was crying whole night. She had no sleep. She didn't sleep. I sent my son and told him to bring my daughter back to home. He went and I gave him some medicine also to give her, because in kidney stone case we are seeing spasmodic pain here in this side, this portion, you see, here there will be spasmodic pain. This is actually the kidney areas. There will be spasmodic pain, intolerable, very painful. So whole night she didn't sleep. My daughter didn't sleep. My son went there and asked the doctor to discharge. But doctor did not agree, because he wanted to make a project. He did not agree. Then he called me. So by talking to doctor, I told, I am also doctor and I am capable of curing kidney stone. I am capable of curing kidney stone. So he told, the surgeon told, that hospital surgeon told, okay, we will discharge by your risk. Actually this is to be operated, but we are discharging her in your risk. I told it is okay. So she didn't sleep in the night. My son gave her, because I had sent some homeopathic medicine, Magphos 1 lakh potency I had sent. She gave that medicine twice or thrice at an interval of 10 minutes and her spasmodic pain was relieved. She became quite okay, and full journey. During her full journey she got a very good sleep. She got a very good sleep. She came to me. Actually, I had no idea that this magnet will cure kidney stone. In the same way, I had no idea that magnet will cure diabetes. When I came to know about diabetes, I will say, of course, here something is mixing up. Sorry for some misunderstanding or disturbance. That person who had diabetic person who had 400 odd, 430 or 425 something like that RBS, random sugar. When I gave him this belt and homeo medicine with allopathy, in 20 days his sugar came to normal. In 20 days his sugar came to 85. 85. Fasting sugar came to 85. I was wondered actually, because it was my first experiment upon the diabetes patient. It was my first experiment. In the world nobody knows. All over the world people say, you take pills, you take tablet. If tablet cannot control, you take insulin. If insulin cannot control, you go to dialysis. That's all. But I got creativity. I am a special type of person. Okay, so that I found the phenomenon or the process of curing kidney stone and diabetes. About kidney stone, our people do not know. They undergo lithotripsy. You know, for lithotripsy they are spending 50, 60 or 70,000 rupees. But for one-time relief, they are spending so much amount for one-time relief. But formation of kidney stone is a continuous phenomenon. It is a continuous process. If you remove one stone, other stone will be formed. If you remove other one, third one will be formed. So, for a permanent relief, they need this magnetic belt. They have to tie it. Then they go asleep in the night. They have to tie and go asleep. If it can't cure this one, diabetes and kidney stone, I want to come out of my profession. I want to resign to my profession. This is my open challenge. If it cannot cure diabetes and kidney stone, this is my open challenge. I will take retirement. Okay. So, and homeopathic medicine is to be given, no doubt. Okay, there are so many medicines that is to be given, and we can give a new life to the kidney stone person and to the diabetes person. Kidney stone once cured by this magnetic belt and homeopathic medicine is a permanent cure. It never appears once again. Open challenge. I am not lying. I am an author. In society I got responsibility. I got honor. As I am an author, I need not say any false. I need not lie for getting money. I am not such a person. I don't want false earning. I don't want illegal earning. I don't want to cheat anybody. Okay? So, for kidney stone and diabetes, this magnetic belt and homeopathic medicine can give a new life to the patients, can give a U-turn to the patients. It can give a U-turn. Okay. This I found, this is my own research. In the world nobody knows that kidney stone is permanently cured and diabetes is permanently cured. Nobody knows in the world. So, I want to say, okay, we can cure both diabetes and kidney stone by magnetic treatment and homeopathy and allopathy if required. There is no objection. But don't undergo dialysis. Don't undergo getting insulin. If this treatment is given all over the world for diabetes and for kidney stone, I challengingly say we can stop worldwide, we can stop all allopathic medicine manufacturing company for diabetes and kidney stone. We can stop the companies. We can close the companies of diabetes drug manufacturing company all over the world. If this belt is distributed all over the world, so we can close all the allopathic medicine companies, those who are manufacturing medicine for diabetes. Okay, we can close it forever. Permanently we can close. But the people must agree, no? Okay, if I say something, but one thing, this belt cannot be given to the backache. Who is having backache, who is having sciatica, who is having cervical spondylosis, to such people, this magnet cannot be given. This magnetic bead treatment can't be given. Okay? So, I say, I can challengingly cure diabetes belt. Diabetes and kidney stone are permanently cured. Okay, now, diabetes event ended. Now, let us see about kidney stone. My daughter came to our home by taking Magfos 1 lakh potency by 2 or 3 times. Her spasmodic pain stopped. But in fact, really speaking, I too had no idea that magnet will cure kidney stone. I had no idea. I had no concept. I didn't know anything about kidney stone. Well, I know everything about kidney stone, but I had no idea that this type of magnetic belt will cure kidney stone. That I don't know. That I had no idea. About diabetes I had idea, but not about kidney stone. But I gave such a North Pole magnetic belt to my daughter and told her to wear it while she goes asleep. By wearing this belt, in 3 months her kidney stone was cured. But one thing I want to say, by this magnetic belt and homeopathy, kidney stone once cured is ever cured. It will never reappear once again. This is a miracle. I don't know, actually. This is a miracle. So when my daughter became kidney stone patient, I researched this new experiment. This was an experiment. I gave her. She stayed in our house for about 1 month. So, in 1 month, her kidney stone cured completely. And till now, kidney stone never appeared once again. Till today, kidney stone never appeared once again. So this is my open challenge upon diabetes and kidney stone, that there will be a permanent cure. You need not take medicine. You need not take insulin. You need not undergo dialysis. Okay? So we have to think about the limitation of allopathy. About the limitation. So I say, we need a coordinated treatment of allopathy, homeopathy and magnetic treatment. We need a coordinated treatment. Okay, that we require. I don't know, because I don't have head weight. I am a simple most person, but I am an author. I got creativity. I am an author. Okay, I am not an ordinary person. Okay, so thus saying kidney stone can be cured very easily. Saying this much, I request you all to subscribe my channel, to like my video and encourage me. In the world, nobody knows how to permanently cure kidney stone and diabetes. But I researched. But it is a very small thing. It is not a big thing. It is not a big research. It is a very small thing, but we should have some common sense, that's all. By using some common sense, can anybody do all these experiments? You take such a magnet, North Pole magnet, and give it to a kidney stone patient, give it to a diabetes patient, and you will see the result. You will see the result. Okay? It is most experimental, most practical. You can see it practically. You can find the result practically. Okay? So saying this much, I will put an end to my speech. I request you, please subscribe my channel, please like my video and encourage me. Okay? So I am ending my way.